Hey there! Experiencing issues with Apple Pay can be super frustrating, especially when you're at the checkout counter or trying to split the bill among friends. But don't worry. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Apple Pay error to make your transaction smooth and hassle-free once again. Apple Pay is a convenient and secure way to make payments with your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. However, like any technology, it sometimes encounters glitches. Let's dive into the solutions to get Apple Pay up and running effortlessly. Step 1. Verify your device settings. First things first, let's check your device settings. Make sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you're using the latest version of iOS. To do this, go to Settings, General, Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Next, ensure that your region supports Apple Pay by navigating to Settings, General, Language and Region. Select the appropriate region for your device. Also, verify that your date and time settings are set to automatic. This can be found under Settings, General, Date and Time. Having these settings correctly configured can often solve connection issues with Apple. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Apple Pay requires a stable internet connection. If you're experiencing issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the problem. Additionally, you can reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. Note that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so ensure you know your network credentials beforehand. Step 3. Re-adding your card. Sometimes removing and re-adding your card can fix the Apple Pay error. Start by opening the Wallet app, select the card that's causing the issue, and tap Remove Card. Wait a few moments and then tap the plus symbol in the top right corner to add your card again. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This often refreshes the card's connection to Apple Pay, fixing any underlying errors. Step 4. Contact your bank or card issuer. If the above steps don't work, your next option is to contact your bank or card issuer. Apple Pay errors can sometimes be due to issues on their end, like a temporary service outage or an issue with your account settings. Provide them with any error messages you're receiving, and they should guide you through resolving the problem. Step 5. Restart your device. When all else fails, a good old-fashioned restart can sometimes solve the problem. Simply power off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. After restarting, try using Apple Pay again to see if the issue persists. If it still doesn't work, you might want to consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. Understanding how to fix Apple Pay error can save you from a lot of inconvenience at checkout times. Whether it's checking your device settings, ensuring a stable internet connection, re-adding your card, or reaching out to your bank, these steps should cover most Apple Pay glitches. Remember, it's essential to keep your software up to date and maintain stable network connections for seamless Apple Pay transactions. In case of persistent issues, Apple's support team is always just a phone call away. Stay prepared and enjoy the ease Apple Pay offers with these handy solutions. Happy paying!